Hello everyone, JT9. Hey, I got something I want to show you, but let me just do something here real quick. Hey everybody, if you are just now finding me and stopping by, hey, I appreciate that. If you like this, you can subscribe. I would appreciate that also. Um, what I do is I'm doing all of my videos, I record all my videos as live. I do not do any editing. And man, sometimes I wish I did. So right now I could just go like that and show you something cool pertaining to what we're going to talk about, right? But hey, right now this is my style. Is I am just recording this as if me and you are talking. Maybe we're FaceTiming, and hey, that's how I got it going on right now. So if you guys are interested in that and you want to follow me, you know what to do. Thanks, I appreciate that. All right, so let me just tell you what I got going on today. And I don't know if you are familiar with grave blankets. And I sort of grew up with them. So let me just explain what I mean by that. So a grave blanket is usually greenery, different types of greeneries that are placed on tops of graves. And again, usually throughout the winter time, a lot of times throughout the holiday season. And my mother did that for her mom, and then later on her dad. And I was involved on that also, as decorating and so forth. And you know, sometimes it would just be some greens, and other times maybe, you know, bows and all that stuff. I tend to make mine now from different types of greeneries and maybe some like pine cones and so forth, but I don't really get into like the bows and the decorative balls and all that kind of stuff. So you can see it right there. We'll get a little bit closer here in a minute, and we'll go take a look at it. But I just want to explain a little bit what you know, what a grave blanket is. And so this particular one, like I said, we'll get a little bit closer. This particular one is made from scraps, and I make several of these a year for people that purchase them from me. And I had quite a bit left over, so the one that I'm making today for my mother and father's grave is from scraps. But actually I had so much I you know, I couldn't get rid of it, right? So again, there it is right there. I'm going to give you a closer look, and let me spin this phone around here, and I'm not going to be able to see what you see, so hopefully this is cool and this turns out. So let me get a little bit closer, and all right, again, you guys, so what I've got on here is I've got, on this particular one, I think it's 5 different greens and pine cones from the campsite, the campground that we spend all of our time at. So, okay, here we go. Hope this is cool. All right, like I said, here I have got, let's see, I think 5 different types of greens on this one. There's pine cones there from the campground, and there's some boxwood there. So, and it's basically, it's 6 foot long and about 4 foot wide or so, if you know, go from point to point. So, all right, here we go. Hope that's not gonna make you dizzy. And all right, so that's what I got going on today. Is I made that that blanket there for my parents' grave, and I think I'm gonna get the wife and my daughter and the grandbaby, and I think we're gonna just run over to the cemetery. And what I do is I anchor that down. I take a wire on all 4 corners and anchor it down so the wind don't blow it away, although it's actually pretty heavy, but I do that anyway. So yeah, that's what I got going on today, you guys, with the grave blanket. Thought I would just chime in, show you what I have got going on, and let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys do the grave blanket? Have you ever heard of it? Is it common in your area? I guess I've been involved with doing that for a long time, and I guess I'm going to continue to do so. So, all right, guys, thanks.